Nerves are really jangling now. Just 4 teams left in the FA Cup, and the stage is set for an enthralling semi-final here at Wembley. Stay with us, we'll have all the action for you live right here on EA TV. Well, whether it's a beautiful day or a rainy day, as is the case today, it's always a joy to be at Wembley Stadium. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting next to me with his tactics charts at the ready is Stuart Robson. And we have action from the semi-final stage of the FA Cup just moments away. It is Chelsea, and they take on Birmingham City.
Well, what an occasion this should be, Derek. 2 excellent teams, 2 top coaches, a great atmosphere, and 90 minutes away from a place in the cup final. It should be a classic.
Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. Stuart, in particular, what do you expect to see from him?
Well, the best players are the ones that can play in tight areas, and he can certainly play in tight areas. He wriggles out of situations, he can find that penetrative pass, and he's such a good player when he gets the ball out of his feet and gets shots away. He could be the outstanding player today.
And a look at the Chelsea starting 11. And they kick off here. And now they have the ball back. Routine, really. And giving the ball away. And a chance to whip it in here. Oh, surely. Oh, good save. Excellent header. So, a corner here. And a goal! The opening statement in this semi-final. How important could that prove to be?
Well, here you can see it again. It's a superb cross, just asking for someone to go and meet it. And while the finish might not be the cleanest of strikes, it's still good enough to beat the keeper. What a lovely goal that is.
So underway once again. Chelsea with the lead in this match. Cosgrove. David Kovnatski. Opportunity missed. Well, managers will always tell you they're unaware of statistics like this, but it's up to us to point them out. His 200th game in charge.
Well, he's done well, because players can get tired of the same voice. But he's been very clever, because he changes the tactics every so often, and he also has a varied backroom staff, which means the players never get bored.
And he read it well defensively. Oh, they've lost it. Pedro Neto. And that puts them in position. The importance of that tackle cannot be overstated. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. And they need to get tighter. And he takes it on. Off the post and back in play. Top-class defending.
Well, had that gone in, the game was firmly in their hands. Now, though, they've got to make sure they don't let this slip.
Well, couldn't bend his run, and the flag went up. A decisive clearance it was. In possession, Caicedo. An utterly disappointing cross. Goal kick. Just a quick reminder, we'll have live coverage of the Champions League semi-final first leg. It's Chelsea against Real Sociedad.
Well, I can't wait to see how the coaches set their teams up for that one. Both will want to lead going into the second leg.
Delivered into the area here. Oh, that is a superb save.
Well, as you can see, it wasn't even close, was it? No debate about that one.
And he's fired over the corner. Danger averted for now, but it'll be another corner. So the corner played into the box. Well, no problems defensively. Jeremy Doku. Now sliding in field. Rifled against the post, but back in play. Well, the referee not too happy with the challenge and blows for a free kick. Taken the chance.
Well, he hasn't kept his knee over the ball there, and that's why it's gone over the bar. That's a poor penalty.
Really sitting deep now. That could be problematic. A bit sloppy in possession. Still behind, but the pressure mounting. Oh, he saved it well. And he got to it fairly easily. Opportunity it is. And a goal! They've extended the lead. Oh, plenty of time remaining. This is far from over. But they're well on course for a place in the final.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So 2-0 now. An important interception. And room now out on the wing. Could reduce the deficit. He had to react, and did. And no problems whatsoever for the goalkeeper. Neto. Promising looking ball. Corner given. And the referee will go back now to the earlier incident. Yellow card it is. And the substitution will occur now. He's driven in the corner. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. And with that, the first half draws to a close. As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far. And now the second half is underway. Valverde. Neto. And a useful cross. Foul there. Free kick awarded. And Chelsea get the decision from the referee. Oh, a fine block. Badiashile. And Chelsea looking dangerous. Well, when you sit off like this, you invite pressure. An incisive pass. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. Magnificent defending. And the danger's still on. This looks promising. And the keeper more than equal to the task. And over comes the corner. And taken cleanly by the goalkeeper. Oh, he's given the ball away unnecessarily. Potential danger here. A really sumptuous ball. The pressure was on the keeper following the threaded pass. Eccentric goalkeeping. Showing considerable guile. He can't hold on to it. Well, the keeper has outdone himself. Wonderful save. Just missing narrowly on the volley.
Well, it's a fantastic effort. Difficult technique, but he caught it so well. He's unfortunate.
Perfectly positioned to take it away. And a throw-in it's going to be. Not a poor touch and unable to keep it in play. Throw-in to come. Valverde. Alert defending. Cosgrove. Pedri. And teammates to play it to. Struggling to get it away. And he's outdone himself. Wonderful save there. So making the substitution now. Corner kick played in. Well, very effective goal. Keeping to touch it over. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Over it comes. It might still be problematic. But it looked so threatening, but the danger averted. The defender put in the challenge, and it might be a red card. And it was always going to be crystal clear for the referee in terms of the decision.
Well, he had to make a tackle, didn't he? Unfortunately, it wasn't a good one.
But he dealt with that ball played in rather well. Chances on, surely. Well, he had the chance. He went for power. He might be regretting that now.
Well, he got his angles all wrong there. That's a poor miss.
And it's a matter of what occurs in the final 15 minutes. And the ball's gone. Takes it on. Well, it might still work out for them. Oh, chance taken! There is opportunism for you, but a disappointed goalkeeper.
Well, here it is again, and I feel a bit sorry for the goalkeeper because he makes a very good save to start with. Where are his defenders following in? It's the attackers that get there first, and it's a very good finish.
So the action underway again, and it's turning into a trouncing with Chelsea holding all the aces. Might really be able to trouble them here. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Benoit Badiashile. Back now to the goalkeeper. Badiashile. Doku. Good vision. Can he get onto this? Well, the attack carried promise, but petered out. Inside the final 5 minutes now. Always going to be the goalkeeper's ball. Bella. An authoritative challenge. And the cross goes in. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Well, what a stop that was.
Substitution for Birmingham.
So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture.
Sam Cosgrove coming onto the pitch. Number 14.
And over comes the corner. And an effective clearance. Doku. The delivery. Well, it's actually ended up being easy meat for the keeper. And there it is. The referee blows for full time. Chelsea ascend to the final.
Well, what a display that was. Their attacking play was breathtaking at times, and they complete